Hello, my little geniuses. I am very glad to welcome you back in our session 1 of English Literature, Chapter 2. After my bath. Tell me, children, how can you stay healthy and fit, especially during this COVID 19 pandemic? Let me tell you how. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Cleanliness is the way of living in and around with a neat and clean environment. It is one of the most important habits we develop since childhood. Let us talk about personal hygiene. It includes washing your hands. During this situation of COVID 19, we must wash our hands for at least 20 seconds. Tell me, children, are you doing that? Very good. And also, don't forget to wash your hands before and after your meals. Other thing we should take care is that we should always throw our garbage in the dustbin. Right? Because keeping home and neighborhood clean and green is cleanliness. We also should take care to cover our nose and mouth while sneezing and coughing. Right or wrong? Right. And we should take bath daily to keep all our body parts neat and clean. I know, children, you all are my smart kids and you already follow these habits, right? So, you are keen to know what are we going to learn today, right? Today we are going to learn a poem related to cleanliness and hygiene. Let's start the poem. Sing with me. After my bath, I try to wipe myself till I'm dry. Then hands to wipe and fingers and toes and two wet legs and a shiny nose. Then just think how much less time I would take if I were a dog and could shake. So, children, after you take a bath, what first thing you do? Yes, you wipe your body with a towel. In the same way, after taking a bath, the child tries to rub his body with a towel till he gets dried up. Try means to make an effort to do something. Let us read next line. To wipe myself till I am dry. Means the child in the poem is telling us about his way to clean himself after he takes a bath. Here, wipe means clean or dry by rubbing with a cloth. In the next stanza, he starts wiping his body from his hands, fingers, legs, toes, and a nose. If I were a dog and could shake. In this stanza, he thinks if he were a dog, he would have taken less time in bathing and wiping, as dogs just shake their body to dry themselves after a bath. So children, in this poem, the child talks about what does he do after taking a bath. He tells he wipes himself till he becomes completely dry. He further says he has hands, nose, legs, fingers, and toes to wipe. Here, little child asks the reader, means us, to do some imagination. वो सोच रहा है कि अगर वो डॉग होता तो उसको कितना कम टाइम लगता बॉडी को सुखाने में, खाली शेक करता और सारा पानी नीचे गिर जाता. He also gives us one hidden message that he tries to save water by taking quick bath. Children, do you know what is the importance of water in our lives? सुबह उठने के बाद जो भी एक्टिविटीज़ हम करते हैं वो सारी एक्टिविटीज़ में हमको पानी चाहिए. एनिमल्स, बर्ड्स और प्लांट्स को भी पानी की बहुत ज़रूरत है. एंड सो दैट वी ऑल्सो शुड save water like child wants to do. Do you know children? We use the water in our other daily activities too. Tell me, which activities are they? Yes, bathing, cooking and washing clothes. और हम पीने के लिए भी पानी का यूज़ करते हैं ना, तो अब सोचो वाटर हमारे लिए कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है. सो दैट इज़ वाई वी शुड सेव वाटर बाय क्लोजिंग द टैप वाइल ब्रशिंग आवर टीथ, taking quick bath, turn off tap while applying soap, turn off tap after each use, right? And also हमको व्हीकल धोने के टाइम बकेट और टब का ही यूज़ करना चाहिए. बाय डूइंग दिस लिटिल एफर्ट्स वी कैन सेव वाटर. You also have learned the importance of water. So please don't waste water. While reading the poem, we come across some new words. Let's read them. First, after bath, then wipe, wet, shiny, try, shake, and how. As you know, children, rhyming words have similar ending sounds. Let's learn them. Shake, take. You also can write shake, lake. Then number 2, dry, try. Then dry, fry भी हो सकता है. Let us move on to make sentences. Try. For try, we should always try to save water. हमको हमेशा वाटर को सेव करने का ट्राई करना चाहिए. Try means कोशिश, and when you try and try, you will succeed. Second, wet, गीला होना. Mira loves to get wet in rain. What about you? Yes, me too. I also love to get wet in rain. Third, two. It is number 2. I have 2 hands. You can also say she has 2 eyes. Try to make different sentences using these words. Children, tell me, after taking your bath, where will you keep your towel? Let's do this textual exercise. It is given in your textbook, page number 17. Put a circle around what you do after a bath. Throw the wet towel on the floor or hang wet towel to dry. What do you do, children, after you take a bath? Yes, hang the wet towel to dry. It is a good habit. Let's do one more textual exercise which is given on the same page 17. Here you can see some pictures, children. You have to match that picture with its name. Let's read the spelling. SHIRT, shirt. Yes, very good. SOCKS, socks. Excellent. CAP, cap. Good. TROUSERS, trousers. Oh, great. BELT, belt. Good. And SHOES, shoes. Very good, children. Very nice. Now it's time for homework. Match the following to make pairs. One has been done for you. Needle goes with thread, right? Then bat goes with ball. This is also your textual exercise. You have to do in your textbook. Rest things you do at your own. Next homework is draw or stick a picture of yourself and your friend here. Then complete the sentences and say them aloud. जहाँ पे मी लिखा है वहाँ पे आपको आपका पिक्चर स्टिक करना है. जहाँ पे माई फ्रेंड लिखा है वहाँ पे आपको अपने फ्रेंड का पिक्चर स्टिक करना है. एंड यू हैव टू राइट डाउन योर नेम एंड योर फ्रेंड्स नेम. Understood? Very good. Now, during our session, we learned about the importance of water. So let's take pledge to save water. Bye for now. Thank you.